How to use Google Drive on Android file upload tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use Google Drive on Android mobile. So our first step will be you guys will simply click on Drive app. That app was available in each Android phone. So we will simply click here. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. In your phone you guys will see zero folders because your account will be new. So how you guys can upload files? So it was very easy. Here you guys can see on downside home shared files. On top you guys can see three lines and your profile pic. Also you guys can see my drive computers. So for uploading file you guys simply click on that plus icon on down right side. Once we click here you guys can see Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs can upload. So simply click on upload. Once you click on upload here you guys will simply select the video or photo that you want to upload, and once you click on that, that's it, your video will be start uploading. So that's how you guys can upload your videos and any type of files on Google Drive. Thanks for watching.